Una good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the open heavens and the go for Pidgin. The open heavens devotional on a daily message book wey the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Thursday, 29th August 2024, and our topic today na love those people wey hate you. Our memory verse dey for Matthew chapter 5 verse 44. But I tell una now say, make una love una enemies and pray for people wey suffer una. Our Bible reading dey for Matthew chapter 5 verse 38 to 48, and e talk say, una hear say anything anybody do una, make una do am back. But I tell una, make una no fight. If anybody slap your face, turn the other side give am too. If anybody drag your shirt with you, make you give am your coat join. And if anybody force you waka 1 mile, make you follow am waka 2 miles. Give people anything when they ask from you, and no drive anybody wey come borrow something from you. Una hear say make una love una neighbor and hate una enemy. But I tell una now say, make una love una enemies and pray for people wey dey suffer una, so that una go be like una papa for heaven, wey dey allow sun to shine and rain to fall on top bad and good people. If una love only the people wey love una, wetin una go gain? Na so bad people dey do too? Abi no be so? If una dey greet only una brothers, una no better pass others o, because people wey no know God still dey do like that. Abi no be so? So make una dey perfect as una papa wey dey for heaven perfect. Now the message. For many Christians, if dem get misunderstanding with somebody, dem dey always forget say dem still be born again o. If dem no like the person or the person no like dem, dem go dey treat the person anyhow. Jesus Christ talk for Luke chapter 6 verse 35 say, no be only to love your enemies you suppose do o, but you need to dey kind to them. If you know the right things to do for people, whether una dey good terms or not, just do am. Bible talk say, na sin to know wetin good and you no do am. James chapter 4 verse 17 talk say, so anybody wey know wetin good and e no do am, e don commit sin be that o. No dey oppress person with your position, and because the person no be your friend. Whether na you dey right or no be you dey right, e no matter. The moment wey you start to dey oppress them, na you don dey wrong o. For our Bible reading today, Jesus Christ talk am clear say, you no suppose repay evil with evil. Instead, you suppose repay evil with good. The reason for this na be say, you no want make corruption or any evil dey your heart at all. Apostle Paul talk say, when you decide to fight for yourself or repay evil with evil, you dey let evil control you be that o. Romans chapter 12 verse 20 to 24 talk say, if your enemy dey hungry, make you give am food chop. If him throat dry, make you give am water drink, because as una dey do so, na wahala una dey carry put for him head. So make una no let bad things control una, but make una let the good things wey una dey do plenty pass wickedness. The passage wey we just read talk say, make you love, care for, and even provide for those people wey hate you. You no suppose relate with people based on whether they love you or not, or about how they treat you. You suppose relate with them based on wetin God wants make you do. No let evil control you because say you wan repay somebody or show them how you get power reach o. If evil start to dey control you, e mean say you don dey devil side against God side be that. I go finish this teaching with the words wey Apostle Paul talk for Romans chapter 12 verse 18, when he talk say, make una try to live in peace with everybody. Our main point for today's message na, whether you dey good terms with person or not, dey good to them. I thank una as una lis ten to the open heavens on the go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.